Welcome back, everybody. In the last video, we installed the JLT Series 3 cold air intake. Today, we're gonna take the car back to the dyno to see if it does any better than the Ford Racing. Let's get started. I hope you guys enjoyed those dyno pulls. I want to start off by saying a big thank you to Southern Outlaw Performance. They did a great job every time I went out there. I went out there 3 times. And so I just want to say I appreciate those guys. If you haven't seen my videos before, I've kind of been building my Mustang a little bit. And if you look here, to begin with, I made 308 horsepower and 309 foot-pounds of torque. And then I did a camshaft upgrade and I made 355 real horsepower and 331 foot-pound of torque. And after that, I thought, well, maybe I should get a bigger cold air intake because I had the Ford Racing on there. And then I went with a JLT Series 3. So that has a bigger mass. And so it went from 85 millimeters, I think, to 105. So I just want to kind of compare. And the results are right here. The max power was 358 and 328 foot-pounds of torque. So that's almost dead even. I lost 3 torque, gained 3 horsepower. So you're talking about some negligible gains there. So this goes to show you that if you have a quality intake, it probably doesn't benefit you to go with the trendy one. I think right now the JLT is a little bit trendy, but it didn't perform any better than the Ford Racing, at least with the K&N filter on there. So it was a very interesting experiment, to say the least. If you look right here, I've got this big kind of dip in the power band. I don't know what that's about. That kind of never really went away. We did several pulls to kind of figure out what was going on there. It kind of does it slightly on that pink one. That's the best pull from my second time out. But so I don't know if something's going on with the tune or if that's just the way that cold air intake works. It needs the velocity to get going before it gets the power. You know, I'm not exactly sure. But anyways, another note was that the tune was kind of, the car ran fine, but until I came to a stop, it would surge a lot. So that was interesting. So I decided to put the Ford Racing back on, and it's got the, it's the original bullet intake, so I decided to put that back on there. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. I've got some more content coming your way. I think I'm done with the power mods for now, and I'm gonna start doing some appearance modifications. So y'all be sure to give me some recommendations in the comments, and stay tuned for next time. Thanks for watching.